Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make mango pudding, mango and plantain pudding. Guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna peel my mango them, blend it, and I'm gonna see what I go on. You understand me? I did be a badness in our kitchen, guys. Me tell you when you come in Nicholas kitchen, I be a badness. So watch what I go on, guys. Yeah guys, I'm gonna be a kit outside. I'm gonna use wood fire. You understand me? I did. But we just say a Jamaica Ella top, Ella bottom, hallelujah and I make so guys watch what I go on today. Mango and plantain pudding. Be a badness guys. They see me line up some wood on the fireside. Guys just watch what I go on. I remember please like, share and comment. Click that notification bell as a video drop you have it guys. Watch what I go on in my kitchen today. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut up some coconut, I'm gonna sew it on. You understand what I did? Yeah. Guys, I'll be back in my kitchen today. Mango pudding guys. Guys, be a badness. Mango and plantain pudding. Yeah guys, I'm finished cut up my coconut. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna peel up some mango and I'm gonna see what I want. Yeah guys, so watch what I go on. See them two mango? Yeah, I'm gonna wash them and peel them up. You understand me? So guys, watch what I go on in our kitchen today. Yeah guys, so all the skin, I cut up all the mango skin. Guys, watch what I go on in our kitchen. Be a badness. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do some blending. I can see what I go on. Understand what I need. So I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna blend me coconut first. I'm gonna see what I go on. Guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so see me mango them, cut up the mango them, only if you blend now. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna blend me coconut and use the coconut juice, blend me mango and the plantain. Guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, I'm gonna start blend up the coconut them now. I'm gonna see what I go on. You understand me? Yeah. Yeah guys, so finish blend up the coconut and I strain them off. You understand me how I did? Yeah. Yeah guys, as you can see in the blender, me have a mango and a plantain. You understand me how I did? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pour some coconut juice on this and blend him up. I'm gonna see what I go on. Guys, a beer badness in the kitchen. You understand me how I did? Watch what I go on guys. Yeah guys, so this is what I go on in. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put me cinnamon. Me have no cinnamon. Some mixed spice. You understand me how I did? I'm gonna put in my mixed spice. I'm gonna see what I go on. Yeah guys, so this is my mixed spice. You understand how I did? I'm gonna put in my mixed spice. Also, I have a nutmeg, but I forgot grate it. I go put in me, I go put in my baking powder. And I go you put some vanilla. I'm not gonna put any sugar yet, guys. I go blend it and taste it cause the mango sweet. You understand how I did? And you don't know the plantain. So when you pour the coconut juice and blend up, you may taste it and see if you want any sugar. So guys, watch what go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna pour some coconut milk now. Guys, me tell you when you come in a Nicholas kitchen, you know, I be a badness. You understand how I did? Yeah. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna blend this. I'm gonna see what I go on. You understand how I did? Yeah guys, so I go on in the blender. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pour him out in the basin. I'm gonna so I go on in the basin. You understand how I did? Yeah. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put in my sugar, grate out my nutmeg, and put in the rest of my mixed spice. Put some more vanilla, and I'm gonna see what I go on. You understand how I did? Line up my baking tin, light up the wood fire, make it go and preheat. Guys, I don't know a badness already. I'm telling you, say, I be a badness in the Nicholas kitchen, you know. Guys, watch what I go on. Yeah guys, so watch what I go on over here, so put in the rest of spice and the sugar. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna mix up this and then me add my flour. You understand how I did? Yeah. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put in some flour. You understand what I mean? Guys, I'm gonna use my fork. Guys, I now make no lumpy food, you know. So, now what chili lump you see my flour, you know, guys. I got about that. And just on the guys, watch what I'm going over here, so. See that? I'm sure you know it go fully baking thing. Guys, guess what I'm going to put in it? I'm going to put liquor sweet milk. You understand what I did, guys? Be a badness, watch what I go. Be a badness, guys. Watch what I go, guys. You see that? Yeah. Not too much. Guys, watch what I go. See that? Yeah, so I'm going to do now. I'm going to oil up my baking tin, light up my fire, make it go and burn. Guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen as I tell you. Watch what I go on. And remember, please like, share, subscribe, click that notification bell. As a video drop, you have it. Guys, I want to bad me now, like tell you. Yo. Can't wait till it bake, guys. Yeah, guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pour in the baking tin. You understand how I light up the fire already. So I'm going to pour in the tin and now I'm going to see what I'm going. A lot of, a bottom, hallelujah, and hallelujah, guys. Be about this in the kitchen. Guys, I want to watch that video until it's done. You understand how I did? Yeah. No, see the badness for all going. mango and plantain pudding. So guys, this is what I go on so. Yeah. So I'm now move him until I'm ready to put him in my oven. You understand me? So guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so light up the fire outside and make it go and burn liquor. You understand me? Yeah. Guys, I be a badness. I don't lie to tell you. Yeah guys, so see me covering for me pudding. You understand me? If you go on top of it, yeah. So guys, watch what I go on outside so now. I be a badness. What am I gonna do? I go put on me a baking tin, make you see what I go on. You understand me? You don't know this not take no whole heap of fire underneath. You understand me? So I go put some fire top, fire bottom. So guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so watch what I go on outside there. So now so me put him on, what I go do? I go take out some of the fire from underneath and put it on top. You understand me? Yeah, so guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so you see the liquor blazing, me make it go and burn out. You understand me? And get it cool. We're going to use it cool. So guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen guys. I be a badness. Just stay tuned for the finishing look. I'm a mango pudding. You understand me? Yeah. Jamaican style. Yeah guys, as when I say when I do them things, you can't put too much fire at bottom. You understand me? You have to put most of the fire at top and less fire at bottom. So guys, that's how we have to try to do now. Keep down some of the fire at bottom and make the fire blaze at top. You understand? More fire at top. You understand me? Yeah, cause if too much fire at bottom, it's gonna burn. So you put most of the fire on top. So guys, watch what I go on. Yeah guys, so what me do now, I remove some of the fire from the bottom. You understand me? Because see the baking tin start to change, so me don't want too much fire at the bottom and it go burn. You understand me? So you when you have most of the fire on top and just a little at bottom, you're good to go. You can't burn your pudding. You understand me? So guys, watch how go on. Be a badness. Wood fire style. You understand me? Yeah. Yeah guys, so the fire weight I get there now underneath and the right amount of heat that. You understand me? Yeah. And on top, a lot of fire on top guys, so you don't know a badness go. You understand me? Yeah. I'm want me pudding for soak, so I don't want too much fire underneath. You understand me? Yeah guys. Yeah guys, me shift up the fire on top. Spread the fire, you can make the fire stay one place. You understand me? Yeah. So you have to spread the fire, make it bake. So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look guys. Yeah guys, so watch what going up on the fire. You see like it in the burn fire so. You understand me? So what me do now, me shift the fire, me spread the fire all over upon the covering. You understand me? So guys, watch what go on. Just stay tuned. Watch what go on for the finishing look guys. Be a badness. Yeah guys, so watch me do me shift the fire from out of the middle. You understand me? And put the side from the two sides. So it can't burn. You understand me? So guys, just stay tuned for the finishing look. I mean wood fire, mango and plant food. Yeah people, look what I go on pan the wood fire here so. You see that? You have to end up burn a liquor. But you don't know. You want to soak. You understand me? Guys, I be a badness in the kitchen and remember me tell you that you want to soak. So what I go do? I go just put less fire. Right now, you understand me? And make it go and soak. Yeah. You see it over there so, over here so. You see that? Guys, watch it. Over here so and soak more. You understand me? So over here so more bake than over here. So over here so want more fire. You understand what I did? So I'm going to put some fire over this side. Keep off the fire off of this side. Put some over here, so mostly under the bottom. Over here, so I soak a little bit more. You understand what I did? Yeah. Down on the end, as I said. Way. So guys, I don't want me putting bone up. You understand what I did, as you can see. I don't want to burn up, so I'm going to drop some fire, so over here, so. And there's so 3 places. You understand what I did? Yeah. So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. Guys, look what I go on outside there, so yeah, it soon finish. But you have to say finish now, but me just make it soak some more. Cause watch. You see that? You want to soak a little said way. You understand what I did? Yeah, you want to soak a little bit more. So guys, I'm going to make it soak and also I go on. You see that, guys? You want to soak a little bit more. So I'm going to make it soak. And I go see the finishing look. You understand what I did? Yeah. So watch what I go on, guys. Be a badness. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna take him off now, bring him inside, and I'm gonna see what I go on. You understand what I did? Yeah. Yeah, guys, this is the finishing look. Now I try to take out about you want cool. You understand what I did? Yeah, guys, this is the finishing look. I'm a wood fire, mango pudding, mango and plantain. So guys, when it cool, I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna see it when it cool. I'm gonna take it out. You understand what I did? Yeah, guys, I'm out. See you in our next video, guys. Guys, you can see me cut a little piece of pudding. You understand what I did there? Mango pudding, guys. Mango and plantain. Guys, me not lie, it tastes good, but you want cool. You understand what I did? If you not cool, I have to eat a go mash up. So you have to make it cool, guys. Bad, me not lie if you tell you. Wood fire style. Guys, I'm out.